In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple scroll back to top button for Squarespace. We'll keep this quick and clear. The idea is to grab a link to the very top of your page and then place a button in your footer that jumps visitors back there with a single click. This is built entirely with Squarespace's native tools. No custom code required. Start by opening your site in the editor and click into the header section at the top of the page. This selects the area we want people to return to. Once the header is active, choose Edit Section to open its settings. In the section settings, look for the Anchor Link option. Squarespace generates a unique anchor for each section, and that's exactly what we need. Click the copy icon next to the anchor so the link is saved to your clipboard. If you see both a full URL and a hash style link, either will work. But the short version that starts with a hash is perfect for same-page jumps. Now move to the bottom of your page and scroll down to the footer. Hover to reveal the controls and choose Edit Site Footer. We're going to add a new element here. Click Add Block, then select Button from the block picker. This creates a clean, clickable target that's easy for visitors to spot. Double-click the new button to open its settings. In the text field, change the label to something intuitive like Back to Top. Keep it short so it's easy to read and doesn't wrap on smaller screens. Next, choose Attach Link. In the link field, paste the anchor you copied from the header a moment ago. If you copied the full page URL, you can paste that as well, but using the hash anchor version is ideal because it avoids reloading the page. Make sure the link type is set to web or anchor depending on your template's interface, and keep the option to open in a new window turned off, since this is a same-page jump. That's the whole setup. Use the design controls in the button settings to adjust size, alignment, and style so it matches your site. A small or medium button aligned to the right often works well in footers, but feel free to choose what fits your layout. When you're done, exit the editor or preview your site. Scroll down, click your new Back to Top button, and you should glide right back to the header section you targeted. If the jump doesn't land where you expect, confirm you copied the correct anchor from the header section and that the button is using that exact value. You've just added a simple, user-friendly Back to Top button in Squarespace.